Hey everyone, I'll be doing a water test on this LG V40. I'm gonna leave it under rain for a few minutes and then I'm gonna leave it in the water here for about a minute. So let's start by rain. Let's see if camera still works. It still works fine. It's got IP68 waterproof testing, so it should be fine in the water. Okay, let's leave it in the water for a little bit. Let's see if it's gonna survive. I'm gonna leave it for like 30 seconds. Seems like it's doing fine. I'm gonna flip it over. Nothing major. It's still doing good. The water's in charging port. Cable. Nothing I can see. Still doing fine. Okay, let's pull it out. See if it's working fine. Camera works fine. Let's see if the sound works good. Gonna slide it. Here's a ringtone. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. But there's no water or anything. Awesome. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.